Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Saba banana bread. First, gather your ingredients, including very ripe Saba bananas, all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, and a couple of eggs. Make sure your bananas are extra ripe for the best flavor and moisture. Also, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit before you start mixing anything. Next, let's get our batter ready. In a large bowl, mash about 3 to 4 very ripe Saba bananas until smooth. Then, add your wet ingredients like eggs, melted butter or oil, and vanilla extract to the mashed bananas, mixing well. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Now it's time to bring it all together. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, folding gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your bread tough. Pour the batter into a greased 9x 5-inch loaf pan. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your Saba banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before carefully transferring it to a wire rack. Allow it to cool completely before slicing and serving for the best texture and flavor. This delicious treat is perfect for breakfast or a snack. And speaking of good things, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's perfect for staying hydrated while you enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.